Hello. Just immediately going live today. Probably a very short stream. I don't really have plans today. I kind of woke up and was like, I'll probably stream today and do something. So working out my setup, I realized at night the room is so dark in here. There's some bleed in on the green screen, which kind of sucks, but I can fix that in the future. So, yeah, let's see. It's all right, setting up. I don't think I have the server up. I do not. Wait, or is it failing? Oh. I just made a change. Okay. I might need to hide the screen for this bit. I was trying to make a change so I could actually do the multiplayer work on the stream, but apparently I didn't do it right. So give me 1 second. I accidentally broke the actual... Oh, I'm losing where I was at. I need to hide any keys I had. Acquire B crypt. I mean, the path looks right, but maybe I need to do... There's a way to do like a step out. Is it like that? No, it's still broken. How to configure paths in Lua. This isn't really answering the question for me. Okay, how to use require in Lua. I've never seen it be this difficult. Jesus. To just figure out how, like, how do I go up a level? How to go up a level when acquiring in Lua. Oh, this is what I get for not prepping when I was going to stream today. Oh. So you can use the slashes? Let's try. I'm guessing this isn't gonna work either, but we'll see. No, still no good. Not found. Runtime error, not found. I mean, this should work. Of course I break it right as I'm on stream. And now it's gonna be a pain to fix it while I'm on stream. So I mean, it looks like the path is right. Source modules common keys.lua. Let me see how I'm referencing. I have no idea. Like, how do I reference a file? Everything else is using modules. Okay, maybe if I do at the top level. Modules.common. Okay, whew. We're good. All right, just had to reference the top level. We're good. All right. I was probably going to set up the end turn method, but I realized that I'll probably treat it like an action. It's not really an action. Yeah, we can do it as its own thing. And essentially, we're gonna want to do the same thing we do kind of do for send action here, which is we check if they are an authenticated user, and then oh my neck, we're gonna get the game ID. And then I think, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay. We don't need to worry about the auth stuff. We do need to make sure the game does exist. So we'll do that as well. And then the last bit is, so we don't need to do that. Essentially, we just need to run something similar like this where we update the game data. So what do we need it to do? Let me see. Oh, I realized my monitor looks really muted because of the HDR I have enabled. Let me actually disable HDR. Hopefully that doesn't break anything. Oh my god, it's so bright. This might actually look worse. Let me look at Twitch.
Okay, wait, it's okay.
Oh no, it looks fine. Cool. But damn, that green. Actually, this is a great. Hold on. Let me move this over here before I'm like thinking there's worse on myself. The lighting looks really rough. I'm gonna mess with the settings here a little bit. Okay. Looks better to me. All right, where were we? So we got the website, and now I am building the endpoint for ending a turn. Let's see if we can get that done in like an hour. So essentially what we need to change is the round value and the current value. So that's the current person's turn and what round we're in. And what are we sending through Godot right now? I do not have Godot open yet, so that's good. Still loading. The game just takes forever to load now. It's insane. I think there's just so many assets. Man, that green screen bleeding is killing me, man. I can just like cover it up with my arm. Okay. So yesterday we were working on the end turn system. Should be up here somewhere. Actually, I passed it. Hold on. And player. There you go. Oh wait, that's end player. We want to look at when you end a turn. Where do we do that? I don't even remember where we do that. It's a button. Do we store that in local? Why do all my scripts close? Oh, that's right there. End turn. Here we go. So I think we want to make a new network request. We're gonna create a new HTTP request. And it's going to be called end turn, obviously. All right. And then it's been a while since I did a network request, so I'm going to look at how I did it in the past, which is that how we call it? Okay, we call it here. Okay, so there's a little bit of steps here. So we create a function when the request gets completed, and then we build the call. So we're gonna do that in here. Call it at the end. So this is going to be the new network request, which is intern. Doesn't like that for some reason. That's okay. And then it's going to be post request, and the endpoint is intern. Something called the main. Oh yeah. Figures out which endpoint we should be calling here. I'll just send it as a method through the request. Hello, yes, I am. Thanks for noticing. So where do I make the request? So we're gonna, oh really? Interesting. Thanks for saying, thanks for following. I honestly don't remember what content I used to do on here because I made so many channels when I used to stream. Yeah, just got the urge to start streaming again, so I've just been doing it for fun. Honestly, it's I've been doing it so that I actually finish this game I've been working on. Wasn't really gonna be a public game, but since it's kind of like a fan game off of Pokemon, but it's like a little Pokemon multiplayer strategy web game thing. It's neat. It's coming together. I mean, it's very like basic assets right now because I'm still building out like a lot of the work for it. But all like the functionalities there, it's just making all the multiplayer sync up and then maybe cleaning up the assets to make it look prettier. But yeah, it's got, well, Charizard's off his, also the intern button's still there, but so yeah, kind of why I'm streaming right now. Oops, I did not mean to click that. I just opened up photo editor. We'll see how it goes, you know. I just want to keep streaming. Yesterday I streamed and there was actually a decent amount of people that popped in, which was kind of cool. It's always nice to chat with some people, but anyway, back at it. I lost where I was gonna go. Oh yeah, I was gonna add the actual network request. So it's actually in so my website's in Lua. Yeah, I'm building the website with this framework called Lapis. I don't know why. Like, it has like zero support, but it's been fun to use. Yeah, like, and it's been getting a lot more oh god, I can't spell. It's been getting a lot more support recently. But in general, there's not a lot of support for Lua, so it's probably not the best thing to do. But this has been getting a lot of updates. A lot, as in like the last one was in November. But I just like it. I just know Lua really well, and I'm like, I just, I stick with what you know. And then with Godot, it's like this weird, their own language, programming language called GD scripts. So it's actually funny while I'm working on this, kind of switching back and forth between the two. It can get a little confusing, but yeah, it's been good though. It's been good. This game's kind of the game I'm trying to learn how to use Godot. Because I've only ever used stuff outside of it, but yeah. Call this on request completed. And before you write an entire paragraph in Lua instead of yeah, that would be my worst nightmare. But thankfully, like usually it alerts you ahead of time. The syntax will get mad at you. But yeah, that would be very upsetting. We'll do pass for now. Trying to figure out what I want to do here. So this is after the request is completed. I don't think we really need to do anything after it's completed. We'll keep this. Keep that commented out. Why is it still yelling at me? Oh, yeah, it needs, it's missing all the variables it needs. Where do I get URL from? Oh, wait, okay. So we get header URL there, and then it's just upset because there's no domain, which we can just pass into this method. And then where we call this, we'll pass in domain. This is still upset. Intern request. Can I use shorthand get node? I'm not using get node. A class that isn't a node. So we oh. Wait, is that not the problem? No, that's not the problem. This is definitely a node. I don't know why it's telling me it's not. Oh, I know why. I'm an idiot. I forgot. This is just like how this stuff works. It's outside of the scope of this Node2D object, because there's one script that runs on it. So this needs to be. So I pass in the root. Oh, I don't pass it in here, do I? Can I do node 2d slash intern, or is that not going to work either? Okay, yeah, it doesn't have any context of where I am. That's cool. So we'll pass the root here. When we initialize. We'll do local.new. What? We definitely initialize local somewhere. Oh, wait, it would be like that. There it is. And then we want the root, which I can't remember. Is root just called root? What? Oh, it's literally right, the line right below where I was reading. Cool. And we're passing the root there, which means we now have the node. So the way we can do this is we can do self.root dot n turn. Or I think we still have to do get node. We have to do the long form notation. Cool. So that will call and turn when they press and turn. We can test this out. Oh. I need to define root up here. But yeah, like, I think I want to do a variety of things. Right now, I'm just kind of coding, doing a lot of game development stuff, but I want to kind of do a mix, you know, switch to gaming sometimes. There's nothing's really calling to me right now, so I've just been focusing on this. So if I look at here, we can see that it did send a post request to nturn, which is good. That means that's working when you now press nturn. Now all we need to do is come back here and we need to set up, make the changes to the data. Where does it live? So I just have the giant JSON blob, and that's basically how I store all of the game data in a call. So it's key and then turn. So we want this to be turn. And then we have order. We don't really need to worry about that. We just need round and currents, and we want to reset those. So, okay. So turn. So for this area, that's where we want to be. And then we want to cast. Oh, I see. Okay. Dot round. So we need to, let's do. I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna have the, that might not be a smart idea. I was gonna have the client send the information, but we have it on the server. I can just have the server update it itself. So it's just gonna be a little bit more annoying, I think, because I need to know what the current turn round is, which I don't know how to like grab something from JSON in a database like this. So that will be fun. Okay. So set data, update game set data. Wait, I'm doing something wrong here. I'm gonna use this one as an example. It's a little bit closer to what I want to do. So turn dot round, and then we want to cast. Question as JSON, where ID equals that. So we just need two properties here. And we want to set this variable to whatever the next round is, which I don't actually know the easiest way to do this. Do I do this somewhere else? This whole time I've been like setting the JSON and like updating it, but what happens if I get it? Let me try. Is it still playing the same song? Oh, it's ending. Whatever. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this right the first time. Select all from games. Where? Game ID. Equals question mark. We're doing that up top. Okay, let me print out. So if I did like game dot. Let me print this. Yeah, it's game.data. Let me see what happens when I print this. I guess the easiest way would be to just play the game and press end turn and see what happens. End turn. Nothing printed. Unless it's this. Which wouldn't make sense. Oh, I think these APIs purposely fail on... Trying to think the easiest way to do this. I think I could just remove the authentication stuff right now. Forgot how to do a code block comment. Oh, I was trying to do Control-Shift/. So then I can just kind of hit it. Oh, it doesn't know how to respond to it. Let me... Do I have Postman installed? Please tell me I have Postman installed. I don't. Can I just like... Is there like an online tool I can test this? Oh, heck. Oh, but it's local. It's a local. It's a local host. Okay, I'm gonna install Postman. How do I install? Can I have, please? There. So so essentially Postman just lets you send requests to a server. It's like the easiest tool to use if you need to like send test requests, especially if they're not GET requests, since, you know. So let's try this. Yeah, that's great. I use it at work too, so it's very useful. So it is working. I just need to post. Yeah, it. Oh, I'm not authentic. I'm not an authenticated user. Oh, it's gonna be a pain. I steal my cookie. And I called it secure. Okay. Let me add that. I guess it would be in the headers? Let me see. I actually don't know how I send this cookie through the request. Oh, it says it's a cookie, literally a cookie. Okay. Local host. I'm adding it on the. So this is called secure. And just that did not work. Ah! Sorry, I'm struggling on the other screen here. I think it doesn't like localhost. Let me try http://localhost. Oh, I just took it the same thing. Okay, yeah, it's still not working. I don't know. It's still saying authenticated user is nil, but it's definitely passing the cookie. This is why I don't normally do the multiplayer work on while I'm streaming, because there's so many issues with it. Oh, it's localhost. I like the surfer music we're listening to right now. Let me do http:// I don't think it matters. Yeah. Tap to index global authenticate user 369. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's because I commented out this because I thought I could get around it. Duh. And it needs it. Find the game. Okay. Well, now we can do it without. There we go. Yes, that's good. The only thing we're missing now is just passing in the game ID. So we're going to do game ID 96. And I think it's a raw JSON. Then we just do this, and then I guess it's like game ID. Game ID 96. No? Why not? Oh my god, this is why I have to freaking read. This is why I need to actually pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, I think that worked. It's just, since a post request, it just kind of spit out nothing. But if we look at the Docker, yep, there it is. we should print out information here. I don't see it though. Let's return JSON for now, and let's not do this. And instead of printing it here, we're actually just gonna return it. What? That didn't work either. Oh, it needed the brackets. Oh, it returned nothing. What? I am an idiot. Oh my god. Game is not what I need. This is user games. I need the actual game. Oy. It's the wrong database. And then this should just be ID. And you don't even need user ID. So it'll literally just be this. Okay. No? Select all from games where ID equals true number game ID. Which is 96. Select all from games. ID equals game ID. And then I'm trying to return JSON and nothing returns. Let's do info. Might just be formatting this wrong, but I'm surprised it's not causing an error. So my next thought is it's returning here, thinking that this game doesn't exist. So I'm just gonna skip all this stuff for now. Trying to do a lot comment again, and I already forgot how to do it. What the heck? $200. Is it not? Is it not getting past this result? No, it was calling the API, or it was calling the database like a Docker. Yeah, it's definitely working. And then it returns nothing. What am I doing wrong this time? Okay. Oh, it returns a list. So this should actually be 1. It's weird that it doesn't return errors. Yep, that's it. There we go. So we want to narrow this down and only have the information we need. So this will be fun. We need to somehow convert this to JSON without all the junk on it. Let's see. I think there's a Lapis framework for that method. JSON. I think there's like a JSON in code, maybe. see. Probably be a utility function. Okay, I think it's from JSON. Where do we get that from? From util? Util from JSON. Util from JSON. And then this little fella. We'll call it game JSON. And then from there, we do game JSON dot current. Nope, that didn't work. So what happens if I return game JSON? Well, it's formatted right now. Does turn not exist in here? Oh, does it live in map? No, it's its own thing. But it's in an object, it looks like. Do like that. Cool. That seems to be working. So essentially what we want is we want current and round. Why is round 0? Round cannot be 0. That's probably a bug. So what we want to do is do like that. Oh, okay, so we need to pass something in that says that it's the end of the, or no, I guess we'll know if it's the end of the round. So first we'll check if turn info plus turn info. Okay, we're gonna do turn info and then order. And then we're going to do turn info. That's not what I wanted, but close. And we want to see if the last, wait, actually I do need a plus. Wait, so the index starts at 1 in Lua. That means this is the last one because it's the little literal count. Yes, so we don't have to do anything here. So we do equals 2. And that should return a number. And we want to see if that equals to the current. Why is everything all muted all of a sudden? I don't know what I did. Oh, because I think I'm just writing this if statement. So turn info.current, then so this checks to see if you're the last in the order. If it is, then we want to start a new round, and then so we'll do local round equals 0, local current equals 0. So here we'll do okay, so that increases the round. And then from there, we want to start the order from the beginning. So current equals and then it's just going to be 1. And then now that we have that, what we want to do whoa. We want to make that game info check first. Okay. Now we make the query. Update game, set data, JSON data, the turn.round equals round. Turn.current equals current. And that's it. And then obviously we need to do if it isn't that, then we just want to set current round equals the same round, and then current equals oh wait, yes, how do we do this? It would just be we need to know where you are in the pacing. Does Lua have a find method? Lua doesn't have like anything for like finding like her array methods. I might have to do it myself. I'm forgetting, what is it for I? That for loop seems wrong. For loop in Lua. For I equals 1. Oh, and then do. Oh, I did do. Okay. So we go through all of them and we check to see if see if they're current. Well, this is where we should actually do the. So then this would just be I plus 1. And then we can break this. We don't need to look through the rest of the loop. Okay, so there. That sets all the stuff up. This then sets the correct information. So we should be able to actually check how this works. I want to make sure it works before I... Okay, we can try it in game. Let's just do it. I need to publish latest changes. I don't know if I have in the past. Projects. Exports. Okay. Once this is done exporting, we can try the new changes, see if when I end the turn, it actually updates the order, and then the other player can actually move and do their whatever they need to do. It'd be great if this worked on the first try, but it probably won't. But I'm also gonna look at the console so I can keep track of if anything fails here. Okay. So we move. Oh, I disabled actions. Okay, end turn. Ah, it already failed. I already got a 500 internal server error. Looks like it's missing something. It's not really saying which query and what line. Like none of these are my files. This one's always a pain to figure out what's going on. It's something wrong with the queries, obviously. Let's look at them. So we have turn 0, turn round, cast blank as JSON where ID equals game ID. I mean, the queries look right. Update game set data equals JSON set data. That's right. Turn round cast. Weird. I get a 200 okay on here. Oh, because I'm not passing the game ID, I think. Oops. This is probably working. You can actually look. I accidentally requested it like twice. Oh no, I guess I only sent it once. Let me look at the database, see if it's changed. Or they just like completely broke it. I mean, that looks right. It says it's player 11's turn now, which it wasn't before. What happens if I do it again? So now it should be player 5's turn, user ID 5, and then it should be round 1. Yeah, nice. It's updating correctly. It just, some reason, I think I'm not passing the game ID down into the request, which might be the main problem. So I just need to, I need to get the game ID, which I think lives in local. Yeah. So I can do self.game ID. So I realized as I was doing that there's another problem. Someone could technically do what I'm doing and like end the turn for other people. So there's one other thing we need to do. And this should be game ID like this. And then we don't need this. Cool. So yeah, technically you could end the turn for the other person. So we're gonna fix that. We need to verify that before we do all of this, that this is you. And we can do that right here. Fixed. We'll actually do if not equals, and then we'll do what we normally do here. Fixed. Cool. Now we can try that in game. I messed up. It's fine. I should be fine. Okay. So that's done. We need to export this one more time. So I believe it's my turn. Yes. Okay, so it's my turn. I'm gonna end the turn. Okay, I need to make it so when it's not your turn, you can't. So if I reload. Oh shit! Oh shit! Let me go to the other player. I think it's Corey too. I know this is like the most minuscule thing, but like actually having the turns work is great, is awesome. Yep, it's working. It's working awesomely. Ignore the weird health bars right now. And then I'm like, okay, cool. I think I did my thing and turn. We go back to Corey. It is his turn. Easy. Turn-based system. Almost ready, almost working. I also should disable. So, some other things I can do while I still have a little bit of time. It looks like locally after you end your turn, you could still technically move. I want to make it so it just kind of disables things if it's not your turn anymore. Which I thought we were doing, but I guess not. Because let me see here. So, end turn. Oh no, it works here. Wait, maybe it might have been because of my override thing I was using to let me do as many actions I want. No, it's still letting me in this. Why is this? So on the website, it's not working on the web game. Let me see. I mean, we should just be checking the current turn situation. Yeah, right here. So for some reason, this isn't working. Are we setting the local ID correctly? We are. Something's not returning correctly. Because I should not be able to move anymore. Of course, when I refresh, though, it works. So it's only... Okay, so when it loads, it works. It's just when... when you do it locally, it doesn't. So it's not setting it maybe correctly. Current turn. Yep. It's right in my face. Self.current turn. Easy fix. We can test this as well. Let me sign into Corey 2 and we'll test on Corey 2. I should save camera position. I feel like that would be nice. Or start it when you start. It starts on your character because it's a little annoying. Okay, end turn. Okay, there we go. It's fixed. And now that we have that information, we can actually put whose current turn is on here. Ooh, do I have time for that? I kind of want to do that. I think that'd be cool. We'll do that, and then it'll probably be it for tonight. That's how you create the game, but I think this is all rendered. I should update this. I think it just all renders on the page, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Should fix that in the future. Also, game to start, then setup phase. If game.started, then nothing else setup phase. If game not started, then we want to. Let me look at how we render this page. Let's close everything else for now. It's gonna be the init Lua file here. Games.name if authenticated user. I also want games.data. And for game started. Okay. So we're gonna do it in here. Some of this is like early work and definitely needs cleanup because this is kind of gross, I think. I don't know. I don't really like how this looks. But it's gonna be util. Oh, we don't have util here. Let's import util. Util.json or from to JSON. Then we're gonna do game data, probably. So we got game data. Whoops. Just pause my music. All right, we got game data. I just did this. I'm already forgetting how to access it. Just straight up turn. Wait, do we need to do... Wait a second. Yeah, we do. I think we do need to do this. Do like that. Game data dot turn equals. No, we don't equals. We just want that. How do I get it to show up on the page? I think I do self, right? Self dot. Oh, but oh, we put in game list. Game dot started. Feels true. We want to store this in game. I guess I do game dot turn. Okay. Now let's see what happens if we do that here. So we do game dot turn. Nice. I broke it. Oh, there should be a comma here. I was thinking there didn't need to be. Attempt to index local game data, a nil value. 48. Game data is a nil value. Util.json game.data. Should be there. Game in pairs. Game dot started. Game in pairs. Res equals. Don't know why it's nil value. It should not be. Oh, it is supposed to be from Jason, not to Jason. My bad. My bad. There we go. Nice. Look at that. It should be, we'll do current turn as the name, and then this should be technically, this should be turned out current. It's just gonna show the IDs right now. What? Now it says nil. What? Oh, because I changed this. This needs to be changed. Okay. I mean, it shows the ID right now. The only way to do this, the efficient way to do this, is to update the query to support it, to specifically grab those users. But that's probably going to take more time than I have right now. Unless we have that information. We do have the player information. So maybe we can somehow match the user ID with the current turn. Let's see. Let's do... Sorry, this is like slightly off the screen. Oh, it should be in pairs. Yeah, it should be in pairs. I want to get user IDs. New. Should be game.user IDs. So this is the ID, and then we don't really care about the index. And then we can do if ID equals game.data.turn.current. Then that means they match. This is probably very okay, yeah, because we just want to know the current. So then we know the IDs. Oh, we do need the index. Okay, hold on. We'll do. Index current user. I don't know. Current user index. I don't know how to name shit. So this will be current user index equals. So we do need the index. Let's call it I. Okay, so that's set. So then we can do game dot usernames current user index. As long, so this will work as long as how this is formatted is correct. The username and user ID are next to each other. Ah, no, what? Usernames. Why is this not right? Game.usernames. Oh, it's supposed to be game data. Or wait, what? No, this is right. What line says is wrong? 49? Expected table expected got string. Oh, it's a string. So we do this. My bad. No, it says nil. Why? Gmatch, and I'm pretty sure this is just separating them by commas. Let me print it out just to see. Just gonna print in Docker. Nil, 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 nil. ID is nil. Oh, does it only return one thing? Is there no indexes for these? $11, $11, $5, $5. Ah, but there's no indexes. Why doesn't Gmatch return an index? Wait, no, it does. Let's do that again. Try it again. Now they're nil again. Interesting. Do I need to do string.gmatch? Let's do that. Still all nil. It doesn't like having... For KV in. For IID in. Am I using I anywhere else? It's the only reason why I would think it would like not work. What? Why can I not get the index? Huh? Huh? I don't even have Gmatch in here. Index. Oh, or I just loop. Okay, let's do that. So we'll do list users. I'll do list users. Make sure this is working. Refresh. Oh, broke it. Can I get length of local list users? A function value. A function value. I ran it. If I do string.gmatch then. Why is it calling it a function value? Oh boy, this is like going through it. Okay, new strat. Yeah, why is it a function value? What the fuck? I want to run it. This is gonna be a gross. That's what we're gonna do. So I can sign off. ID in. I call it user IDs. Do user IDs table dot insert user IDs ID. In pairs, user IDs, ID. That should fix it. Let's see. Still says no. But the IDs are returning correctly. So we're gonna have the same issue here. Usernames. Usernames. Username. Usernames, username. And now we just do usernames. Let me verify here. Okay, we're storing the usernames. We have the index. Table.insert user game.current turn. Game.current turn. Let me print username. See if stuff is coming out of this. There's literal. So the only thing that's wrong is it's not setting this, maybe? ID equals. Let me print this also. And then we're not gonna print username. $11, $5, $11, $11. So they do eventually match. Index. I. I have so many things open. How did it not work? I wonder. I think I know what it is. We need to convert it to a number. Yeah, we need to do this. Just making sure that was a real thing. Let's make sure both are numbers just in case. Because I think both might end up accidentally being strings. We did it. We did it. Shows current turn. Awesome. So yeah, it says turn is for Corey. So if I join this, I should not be able to move. Yeah. Done. Nice. All right. Went a lot longer than I planned. I usually end around 8, but I started late. So, cool. So now the round system is actually working on the game, like it's syncing. So I think the big things now is just getting the rest of the actions to sync, which I can do on stream now. And then, yeah, it's just making it look better, adding more Pokemon, making a cool map, seeing how it plays. But it's probably gonna be put on hold for a little bit. I will be participating in the Acerola Game Jam, which starts in about a week. So my plan is to take part in that, do that. It's supposed to be 2 weeks. I'll be streaming it the whole time though, so feel free to come in. It might be fun to see from start to end how it goes. Otherwise, yeah, that's it for today. Short stream. Hopefully I can fix this really bad green screen effect. It's so bad. hopefully for next time. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please follow / subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you next time. And thank you for Nanasuka for stopping by. See ya.